Have you turned on the news lately? Perhaps looked out the window? Social unrest runs rampant. We're slowly turning our planet into a giant microwave, and our best hope to colonize Mars can't even figure out Twitter's verification system. Maybe we just call it a day and get ready for the zombie apocalypse that will eventually sweep the globe. That means we're going to need a vehicle that's up to the task. Luckily, we think we found one at the LA Auto Show with the Ascender 30A adventure truck. Say hello to the Ascender 30A by Bespoke Expedition Truck Builder 27 North. The company was founded by its CEO Pavel Bosovik, a first-generation immigrant from Ukraine who had a vision to build behemoth land yachts that can take on just about anything. The Ascender 30A is one of the first examples of his vision. Based on a Ford F550 Super Duty truck, the Ascender 30A is an expedition vehicle that up to 4 people could literally live in. It has a custom camper built onto the truck's frame which adds a full dining room, a small kitchen with stove, a shower, and a bed that sits above the truck's cabin. The entire exterior of the vehicle is covered in a material that is similar to truck bed spray liner. The benefit is that it can stand up to quite a bit of abuse and still look brand new after a quick spray down. The Ascender 30A sits on a military-grade wheel and tire package. Seriously, Bosovik said that the military actually uses the same wheel and tire package on some of its vehicles. Its 150-gallon diesel fuel tank provides the truck with 3,000 miles of range while also holding up to 100 gallons of water for showering and cooking. Everything is powered by 4 heavy-duty lithium-ion batteries which are fed by 2 alternators and a series of solar panels on the roof. Altogether, the Ascender A30 tips the scales at 16,000 pounds and tips the wallet at $750,000 to start. To outfit the 30A as seen here, it will set you back $1.2 million. So far, there are only 7 30s in existence. The one at the LA Auto Show is the first complete build and 6 more are currently in production at 27 North's plant. So, at least 7 people will be well prepared for the shifting world around us.